Hello guys, in today's session we are going to discuss about the tuple and sets. Like in the previous video we have already discussed about the list, right? And we discuss about the conditional construct, if else, and nested if else we discuss here. Now today's session we are going to discuss about the tuple. What is a tuple? Why we are using tuple? And what are the differences between list, tuple, and set basically? So first differences in list, tuple, set. List we are using the square bracket to define the syntax. In tuple you are using the parenthesis, and set you are using curly braces, right? So that one you use. And before going for this, we just want to discuss some theory parts of this. What are the differences between? Okay, so let's go to the tuple first. So in this session we learn what are the tuples, how to implement tuples, and various operation of tuple and tuple function. So tuple is like an immutable list, like as I told you previously with the list. List is a mutable. Mutable means you can do the changes, insert, update, delete, search. Whereas tuple is immutable. Immutable means you can't change. Okay. A tuple is store values similar to list but use different syntax. A tuple cannot change the once it is created. Like once you create, you can't change it. Tuple use parenthesis, whereas the list use the square bracket. Features of tuple are more efficient. Tuple are faster than list, of course. Why it is faster? Because tuple is a immutable, right? Not mutable. List is a mutable, so that we are able to do the changes inside, right? In tuple is a immutable, that's why we are not able to do the changes, so obviously it's going to be more efficient and faster than list. Tuple are used in the string formatting. Tuple can be converted into list and vice versa. Note, we can't perform add, delete, and search operation on tuple. You can see here, that's why I mentioned in the notes, you can't do this operation in the tuple because it's already immutable. Creating tuples, create a tuple as like a simple assign values and separate with the comma, and optionally you can put the this comma separator value between like a parenthesis also. So as you can see, this is syntax of this. Accessing values. To access value in tuple, use the square bracket for slicing along with the index and obtain value and available in the that indexes. So here you can also use the index number. We use square brackets just like in list. And for slicing, you are using the range operator, right? The colon which will define the range of the character between. Updating tuple. Tuple are immutable. An immutable object cannot be changed once it is created. It is always renamed the same. The value of tuple elements cannot update or change. Okay, and portions of existing tuples can be used to create a new tuple. Delete tuple. Removing individual tuple elements is not possible. Del statement used to remove the entire tuple. Okay, so del is the operator. It is the possible to merge two tuple. Tuple can be reassigned with the different values. So here you can see various operations on the tuple. Tuple responds to the like plus and multiply operation. Various operations such as add and multiply can be performed on the tuple. Like same you done the list also. See len like 1, 2, 3. How many elements we have in tuple? Parenthesis 3. So result 3 and description what? Length. Second, you can see in first tuple list 1, 2, 3, and plus is a operator which doing the concatenation of the two tuple list 4, 5, 6. So you can see just combine together, just do the concatenation. So see, this is called concatenation. Here you can see mention hive into 4. So how many times it will come? 4 times. You can see just coming 4. How many times? 4 times. That is called repetition. Like a 3 in 1, 2, 3. So obviously I want to check 3 inside or not. Okay, 3 inside or not means it's a member of this or not. So 3 in 1, 2, 3. So you can see obviously 3 existing in this list. So return true. This is a member of this. Here you can say for x in 1, 2, 3. print text obviously. So 1 2 3 is there. So what is called iteration means over it again and again. Tuple function, that Python interpreter has number of function and type like Boolean function like all, any, enumerate, len, max enumerate. I have already taught you guys in the loop. Maximum, minimum, sorted, and tuple are commonly used function to perform different tasks. Okay, so let's say with an example. Let's come to this. Like here, I want to take it number of cell. Like how to create tuple in Python. So very simple example. Suppose I make a here like a tuple. I give it one equals to. We have to use the parenthesis. In list we are using the square bracket. Like here I give an aman. I mentioned the and here I given like prince show. Okay, that's it. I just want to print and here I given tuple one. Run this. Same, I just took it here. I want to check the type. So we have to use the type function to check the data type. Close the parenthesis for this. Run this. So you can see the which data type tuple. Again, I take this. I want to check the index number as well. So I will check the index number also. Square bracket. I give it 0. So remove this one. The 0 index who index existing aman. Any index is change like 1. Puja, so this is like you can change the index number as well. Okay. Next, I just want to see tuple is immutable. Suppose I want to any particular addition in that we cannot. Suppose I want to use the here like append function tuple one dot append. So what append does? I've only taught you in the list. Append always add the element end of the list, end of the index. So here suppose I given like a name, here like given like Neha. Run this, we get an error. See, tuple object has no attribute append. So C is immutable. So that's why tuple is immutable. That's why not supporting it. That's why I told you previous in theory parts you can't do the changes. Even I take any one particular case, just for the confirmation, error confirmation is very important. Suppose I want here insert. So what insert does it? In the list, insert always insert the value given the particular index number. Suppose I give an index number 1. See, in the same you get it no attribute insert here. Okay, so this is where you can check it because tuple 100% immutable, so that is why you're not able to perform the changes inside it. Okay, I hope everybody clear now. Okay guys, so thank you so much for this video. Then we're going to the next video, continue the set, how to create a set. Okay, so take care everyone, bye.